Huh? You ready, old lady?
If you say so.
Howdy folks, and welcome back to UglyDogLures. Tonight we're going to be doing the drawing for the Christmas challenge, which the wife won. I let her have this one, she won't get another one. Tonight we're going to be doing the drawing for the Christmas challenge, which the wife won. I let her have this one, she won't get another one, but she got this one. So what we've done is we should already had this done, but we've been sick for the last 2.5 weeks, extremely ill. I apologize that we ain't got it done. I thank the people for the prayers. I thank all the people that dropped food off on our porch. All I'm going to tell you is we've been quarantined to our house for 21 days. So we're on the mend now. We're getting better. We still feel drained all the time. So let's do our drawing, and I'm going to send the two lures that we painted, and it's Grandma's Candle versus Jack Frost, and whatever you called him, North Wind or whatever.
I don't even
Can't remember. It's been
so
too long. So, but she won, and I'm happy for her. So you'll be getting those two lures in the drawing. I'm going to send you a topwater spook. Very nice paint job on this lure. Very gorgeous. And I'm going to send you a couple of 1.5 square bills. One of them's in a red belly perch, and the other one is going to be a fire tiger, and I'm going to send you a sticker. So let's get the bucket over here and get her all mixed up good. You see that bucket mixing?
What are you waiting for one to fall out?
Yes. So see folks, nothing's changed. She's still being mean to me. So she can draw a name out of there. This is everybody who voted in the challenge, in the holiday challenge. And I'll be mailing these to you
in 5 days. We're just going to give you 5 days. If you don't respond with an address, we're going to just draw someone else, because there's no point in waiting around. But if I already have your address, if you're a current customer, then we'll just send them.
So she drew out Woody Jones.
Oh.
So Woody, you need to get with us and get us your address so we can get these out in the mail to you.
Who did he vote for?
He voted for Melissa.
Thank you, Woody. And everybody that voted.
Yeah, that was a lot of fun. I guess we'll be doing a freaking Valentine's Day challenge too, so that's what I was told anyway.
I said I wasn't doing another challenge until Valentine's Day.
So that's that. So Woody, congratulations, and we can get these out to you. Just get us your address. You folks have a blessed day, and we'll catch you later.
Bye.
Oh, there he is. Woody Jones.